Hello, my name is Pascal and I'm responsible for our PV products. This video is about how to quickly find the right surge protection device for your PV installation. How do I proceed with the system planning? Based on the area of the roof, I select the area for the modules. Based on that, I determine the right string inverter. And now in order to protect the string inverter or even the complete building against overvoltage, I need to select the right surge protection device. Now I need to compare many different data sheets with the data of the string inverter. Isn't there a better way? Yes, there is. Go to our webpage, we have placed the link below this video, and open there our selection guide. Now I need to select the manufacturer of the inverter. And in the second step, I need to select the inverter. And now I can define the most important characteristics of the combiner box itself. Let's choose type 1+2 surge protection device for buildings with external lighting protection system. And now I have the option to choose the right string connection type, whether internal connection via cable glands, connection via MC4 EVO2 connectors, or connection via WM4C connectors. And now I found the right surge protection product and also the appropriate accessories. Now I've found the right surge protection device for my string inverter. It's that easy and fast.